On the morning of his wedding day, a man cannot move his legs. What defense mechanism is he exhibiting? Conversion. A boy mimics the mannerisms of his football coach. This is a classic example of what defense mechanism? Identification. A student goes on vacation worried that she may be failing. She decides not to spoil her holiday by thinking of school. This is an example of what defense mechanism? Suppression. Two close friends have a violent argument. When they next meet, each acts as if the disagreement had not occurred. This is an example of what defense mechanism? Undoing. A physically unattractive adolescent becomes an expert dancer. This is an example of what defense mechanism? Compensation. A woman is forced to undertake a restrictive diet. She becomes interested in painting and does a number of still life pictures, most of which include fruit. This is an example of what defense mechanism? Sublimation. The statement, "You're either with me or against me," is a classic example of what defense mechanism? Splitting. A rape victim is unable to remember the painful and humiliating experience. This is an example of what defense mechanism? Repression. A man with questions about his sexuality becomes overly macho. This is an example of what defense mechanism? Reaction formation. A violent man becomes a boxer. This is an example of what defense mechanism? Sublimation. Daydreaming is a mature variation of what defense mechanism? Withdrawal.